In this video, I will show you how you can fix not getting messenger notifications on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the focus mode icon and open it. And from this list, if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode has been enabled, just tap on it and turn it off. After you turn off do not disturb mode or any other focus mode from this list, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is not fixed, then just go to settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. From here, just check if silent mode is enabled or not. If silent mode is turned on, just turn it off from here. And also if the ringtones and alert slider is on low, just increase it from here. After you increase the slider, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on battery. From here, just tap on power mode and check if low power mode has been enabled or not. If this option is enabled, just turn it off from here. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Messenger app. Now just tap on the three lines over here and go to settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on notifications and sound. Now if do not disturb has been enabled, just turn it off. Now after you disable do not disturb, now just enable all the toggles for all the different notifications from Messenger. Now after you enable all these options, then just tap on text tone and select a text tone from here. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings. Now under settings, just tap on apps. From this app list, just look for the Messenger app, then tap on it. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for background app refresh. After that, just tap on notifications and make sure you have enabled allow notifications. Now after that, under the alert section, just make sure you enable all these three options. And after that, just scroll down and enable the toggle for sound. Under the lock screen appearance, just tap on show previews and select always. After you've done that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix not getting Messenger notifications on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.